a brother, he's a friend, a leader also, and to inspire them as well.
Buti has always been such a passionate person about television. And every time Buti used to see my work, he used to always call me and say, I have friends in high places and they've seen your work and they really like your work. And Buti always made people feel like they can conquer and that they can always do far more than what they think they can do.
He was intelligent. He gave us the edge in television.
We lost a mentor for those who are still coming to TV. I feel like Buti had so much to do and then it was just cut off in a short time.
Such a humbling experience to work with one of the major giants in this industry.